Hi viewers, welcome to Briksham channel. Learn mathematics easily.
Today we are going to see sequence and series. What is sequence, what is series, and arithmetic progression, geometric progression as part 1. Okay. What is of series? So one is arithmetic series and another one is geometric series. So series we can split it into two types. One is arithmetic series or arithmetic progression, and another one is geometric series or geometric progression. So arithmetic series or arithmetic progression, shortly we can write it as AP, and geometric progression or geometric series, shortly we can write it as GP. So we will see one by one what is arithmetic progression and what is geometric progression. So arithmetic progression means the successive terms. What is mean by successive terms? We can say from this example, 2 and 5 are successive terms, 5 and 8 are successive terms likewise. 2 or otherwise we can say two succeeding terms. Okay, so we'll now come to the definition. The successive terms increase or decrease. Why I am using that increase or decrease? Because from the sequence, while defining the series, we are adding or subtracting, that is we are including plus or minus sign. So that's why we are coming as increase or decrease. Successive terms increase or decrease by a constant quantity. By a constant is called arithmetic series. So for example, so we can give 3, 6, 9, 12, etc. Okay, so this is an example of arithmetic series or arithmetic progression. And what is general form of arithmetic progression? So arithmetic progression can be represented in general as A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. Here A is called the first term, A plus D is the second term, third term, etc. And A is the first term and D represents the common difference. Okay, so why we are calling it as common difference? So for example, we can take A plus D minus A equal to D, A plus 2D minus A plus D equal to D, then A plus 3D minus of A plus 2D equal to D, etc. That is, successive terms increase or decrease by a constant. That is the definition of arithmetic progression, right? So here also it is satisfied. Therefore, we can say this as the general form of arithmetic progression. That is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. And here nth term Tn, we can write it as A plus n minus 1 into D. So n represents the number of terms. So this is the nth term formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. And the sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression, we are denoting it as Sn. So which is equal to A by 2, sorry, n by 2. This is not A by 2. N by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. So Sn is equal to n by 2 times 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is the sum of n terms. Okay, sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. And this is the formula for nth term of a sequence. Sorry, nth term of a sequence or series. Okay. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D is the nth term. And sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression we can write as Sn is equal to n by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Next, we will come to the geometric series. What is geometric series? So here also we are considering the difference between the successive terms. So successive terms increase or decrease. Here we are not considering the constant term or common difference. Here we are considering the common factor. Okay, so common factor. Successive terms increase or decrease by a common factor is called the geometric series or geometric progression. So example we can take 3, 6, 12, 24 likewise. Okay, this is an example of geometric series. And what is the general form of geometric series? AR square, AR power 3, etc. Here R is called the common factor. Okay, so A represents the first term and R is called the common factor. So we'll check it now. So consider that find the common difference between the successive terms. That is AR by A equal to R. Then AR square by AR equal to R. AR cube by AR square is equal to R, etc. So if we are considering or dividing or finding the ratio between the successive terms, we will get the same number. So here we can call it as common factor or common ratio. And here also we can find the nth term. So nth term of a geometric progression Tn is a r power n minus 1. Okay, this is called the nth term. So that is nth term we can find by using this formula, and the sum of n terms of geometric series. Sn, which is equal to a into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r when r less than 1. And we have another formula, a into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 when r greater than 1. Okay, so we have two different formulas. One is for r less than 1 and another one is for r greater than 1. And we will come to this. When r is greater than 1, that is the common ratio is greater than 1, then we can call it as increasing GP, increasing geometric progression. And when r is less than 1, then we can call it as decreasing GP, right? So depends upon the r value, we can find whether it is increasing or decreasing. R is less than 1 means decreasing GP, and r is greater than 1, that is the common ratio is greater than 1, then we can call it as increasing GP. Okay. So the example problems we will see in the next part.
If you are comfortable, kindly like, subscribe and press the bell.